Hello developers, welcome back to Stoner Stack. In this dedicated series, we are building MCP servers using MCP SDK with C# and .NET. So far, we have built an MCP server using the StdioTransport, and we have created some custom tools like get employees, echo tools, and the add employees tools. And we have also provided the description for those tools. In today's short episode, we will explore how to define custom names and the title for our tools. So let's validate if our MCP server is running well or not. So I'm just giving a simple command to fetch the employee list with HR department, and here it is displaying the list, so our MCP server is working fine. Now let's improve the tool definition by adding the properties name and title inside the MCP server tool attribute. So this makes it clearer and the cleaner when viewed in the chat tools or in the inspector panel. And here IntelliSense suggests an new property, use structured content. So we will cover this in the next video. Let's update the title property and add the title in it. And now we will just build it and start our server. So .NET build. Oops. We hit I think file lock error. So it's a classic error when our server is still running. So let me stop the server, rebuild it, and then I will start the model context protocol inspector using inspector this time because we want to visualize the list or tool calls from the inspector. So now just connect to the inspector and click on the list tool call in the dashboard, and here as expected get employees now shows a friendly title and the name. Go tool and the add employee tools are having the name, but it is provided from the .NET only. This also means that these properties are optional, not mandatory. So to make it more clean in your coding section, you can also separate the description attribute to the new line. So we can remove the description from the first line and move it to the another one. So this keeps your code clean and expressive, especially when your teams grows. So I will restart and check the inspector again. So just wait a second, and here if you will click on the list and tool section, it should give us the same result as previous. There should be no change. So it is working as expected. Video I will be showing you the structured content attribute. So till that, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and comment.